Hello everyone, welcome to AK and Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the maths mentor. Children, welcome back to today's session. In today's session, let us discuss about pair of linear equations in two variables. From this chapter, they are asking draw the graph of the pair of linear equation, and also they are asking to find the point of intersection from the graph. Students, they will ask one graph from third chapter as well as one graph from fourth chapter. That is from polynomials as well as from pair of linear equation two variables. నాకు తెలిసినంత వరకు కంపేర్ టు థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ గ్రాఫ్ ఫోర్త్ చాప్టర్ గ్రాఫ్ ఈజీ. మీరు ఈజీగా నేర్చుకుంటే థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ గ్రాఫ్తో పోల్చుకుంటే ఫోర్త్ చాప్టర్ గ్రాఫ్ చాలా ఈజీ. నేర్చుకుందామా? ఈజీ వే. మీరు అనుకుంటారు ఆఫ్టర్ వాచింగ్ దిస్ వీడియో ఇంత ఈజీ అని అనుకుంటారు. చూద్దాం ఎట్లా డ్రా చేద్దామో గ్రాఫ్. ఓకే, ఏంటంటే చిన్న ఒక 2-3 మినిట్స్ మీరు అటెన్షన్ పే చేస్తే చాలు, తర్వాత ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ మనం గ్రాఫ్ చేసేద్దాం. ఓకేనా? లెట్ ఇట్ బి. సో ఫస్ట్ పేర్ ఆఫ్ లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్. అసలు పేర్ అని ఎందుకు అన్నారు? బికాజ్ వీ హ్యావ్ టూ ఈక్వేషన్స్. Linear equation in two variables. ఎందుకు two variables అన్నారు? Because we have x is one variable, y is one variable. అంతేగా? ఇక్కడ కూడా ఒక x అనేది ఒక వేరియబుల్, y అనేది ఒక వేరియబుల్. That is the reason we call it as pair. Pair and dead. Pair means one boy, one girl. Yes or no? అట్లానే x and y are, x if you consider as a boy and y if you consider as a girl, they both are pair. Right? Okay. Now let us draw the graph for the given polynomial. So first equation is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Okay na? నేను చేస్తున్నప్పుడు మీరు కూడా చేయండి. So first one, you take x coordinate and then you take y coordinate. Draw the table. Okay, only two values enough to draw the graph, children. Only two values. Okay, let me take x value 0. Vintunta jagrataga. If you take x value 0, listen children carefully. 3 into, we are taking x value 0. 3 into 0 plus 2y equal to 4. As 3 into 0, 0 plus 2y equal to 4. If you add 0 to 2y, you will get 2y equal to 4. 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So what is the value of y, children? Y value 2. If you take x value 0, y value 2. That's all. Is it clear? Yes. Now coming to y value. Suppose if I put in the place of y 0, then what is the value of x? Let us find out. 3x plus 2 into, we have taken y value as 0 equal to 4. So 3x plus 2 into 0, 0 equal to 4. If you add 0 to 3x, 3x only. 3x equal to 4. So x equal to what, children? 4 divided by 3. So 4 divided by 3, 3 1 ja 3, 4 minus 3 1.0, 3 3s are 9. I mean it's approximately 1.3. Approximately 1.3. Is it clear, children? See, that's all. First pair of linear equation, we found coordinates points. Okay? When x equal to 0, we got the value of y is 2. When y equal to 0, we got the value of x is 1.3. So first we need to write x coordinate, then y coordinate. 0, 2 and రాయాలి. Here 1.3, 0, because x coordinate is 1.3 and y coordinate is 0. Two coordinate points are enough to plot the points on the graph. This is our first graph. Now coming to second graph, 2x plus 3y equal to 11. This is our second equation. Again same x, y. You take x value 0. What is the value of y? Let us find. 2 into 0 plus 3y equal to 11. 2 0 is 0 only. Plus 3y equal to 11. Add 0 to 3y, you will get 3y only, 3y equal to 11. So y equal to how much? Y equal to 11 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9, 11 minus 9 2, 0.0, 3 6 are 18. So approximately what is the value of y? The value of y is 3.6. When x equal to 0, y value is 3.6, right? Now what we will do, let us take in the place of y 0, y value 0. See children, 2x plus 3 into 0 equal to 11. 2x plus 3 0 is 0 equal to 11. So 2x plus 0, 2x only, 2x equal to 11. So x equal to 11 by 2, 2 5 is 2 5.5. What is the value of x children? As the value of x is 5.5. That's all. So now let us write the coordinate points. Let us write the coordinate point 0, 3.6. Here 5.5, 0. Is it clear children? How to find the coordinate points? Yes. Now let us draw the graph. This is our coordinate plane according to mathematical terminology. This is our coordinate plane. Okay. This is called horizontal line. We call it as x-axis. X dash. This is called vertical line. This is called vertical line. We call it as y-axis. Y dash. Intersection of x-axis and y-axis we call it as origin 0. On x-axis towards right hand side we need to take positive values. Towards left hand side we need to take negative values. This is our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. As well as here -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. As well as on y-axis above the 0 positive values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. As well as below the 0 negative values -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Right children? Yes. Now let us plot the points on the graph. Okay. First our coordinate point is 0, 2. 0, 2. This it represents x coordinate. X coordinate this is y coordinate. Okay. On x axis is 0 is here and 2 we need to see y axis. 0, 2 means this is our 0. On y axis 2 is here. So this point is our 0, 2. Next one 1.3, 0. 1.3 on x axis. So this is our 1. Between 1 and 2 totally we have 10 units. So this is our 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5. So this is our 1.3. This is our 1.3 on x axis. Y value is 0, I mean there only. This is our point 1.3, 0. So let us plot, let us join these 2 points. This is our graph of linear equation 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Right? Now coming to second linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 11. So our first coordinate point is 0, 3.6. On x axis 0. On y axis 3.6. 3.6 means it lies between 3 and 4. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. Here is our 3.6, that is 0, 3.6. The next one is 5.5, 0. On x-axis 5.5, 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5. This is our 5.5, 5.5, 0. Okay, let us join these points. This is the graph of 2x plus 3y equal to 11. So children, also they are asking to find intersection point from the graph. Intersection point from the graph. I mean, first of all, we need to check whether they are intersecting, are they parallel, are they coincident lines. How to check that? We have a condition that, so the first equation which is in the form of a1x plus b1y equal to c1. Second equation, it is in the form of a2x plus b2y equal to c2. Right? So what is a1 here? As the a1 value is 3 here and the value of a2 is 2. And coming to b1 value is 2 here and b2 value is 3 here. Is it a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2? Is it 3 by 2 equal to 2 by 3? Actually, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Hence, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they are what? They are intersecting, right? Okay, this is our first line, 2x plus 3x plus 2y equal to 11. This is our second line, 2x plus 3y equal to 11. I mean, they are what? Intersection points. I mean, somewhere they have to intersect at one point. So see, they are intersecting at this point. So they are intersecting at this point. So how to know whether they are intersecting lines or parallel lines or coincident lines? By using conditions. We have three conditions. Coming to condition number 1, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they are intersecting. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, they are parallel. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, they are coincident lines. మన conditions 3 తెలుసు. Also intersection point. ఎట్లా చేస్తాము? How to find intersection point? How to know that whether we did graph correct or not? So let us solve these two equations either by using substitution method or elimination method. So we have two equations, 3x plus 2y equal to 4. Second equation, 2x plus 3y equal to 11. Are the x coordinates are equal or y coordinates are equal? No children. Then how? Let us multiply equation number 1 into 2, multiply equation number 2 into 3. 2, 4, 3 is 6x, 2, 2 is 4y equal to 2, 4 is 8. That is our first equation. Coming to second equation, 3, 2 is 6x, 3, 3 is 9y, 3, 11 is 33. This is our second equation. Let us solve these two equations. Change the signs, minus, 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 plus 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. 4y minus 9y, that implies minus 5y. 8 minus 33, that is equal to minus 25. So 5, 5, minus minus gets cancelled. 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja. So what is the value of 5? As the value of y is 5. Right? Now coming to put y equal to 5 either in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Equation number 1 is 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So 3x plus 2 into value of y is 5. 3x plus 2 5 is 10 equal to 4. 3x plus 10 you transpose, it will become 4 minus 10. So 3x equal to minus 6. So x equal to minus 6 by 3, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So x equal to what? X equal to minus 2. So our intersection point is what? Minus 2 comma 5. I mean where they will intersect? They will intersect at minus 2 comma 5. If you do it on graph, they must intersect at the intersection point, that is called what? Minus 2 comma 5. So that is the reason we did on board. That's why we got somewhere else. But when we do it on the graph, it has to intersect at minus 2 comma 5. That is our intersection point. Okay children. So this topic is the most important topic. Maximum they are asking for 8 mark question only. If at all they are asking 8 marks question, you try to attempt this question because you will get easily 8 out of 8. Okay, here we forgot to write scale. We mean on x-axis we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, as well as on y-axis we have taken 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, right? So we need to write scale as well as also we need to write intersection point, and we need to plot the points on the graph clearly, and we need to write whatever the points we are plotting on the graph. So if we write each and everything, no doubt at all, easily you will get 8 of 8. Okay children, I hope you understood how to draw the graph. If at all they have given pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Okay children? Yes. Now coming to second question, formulate a pair of linear equations in 2 variables for given data. 4 notebooks and 7 pens together cost rupees 184, whereas 6 notebooks and 5 pens together cost rupees 210. Children, this method is gunshot problem. Inka tiruguledu, ee method sum compulsory vastadi. That too we need to formulate a pair of linear equation in 2 variables. Evvaraina cheyagలుగుతారు ఈ సమ్. అంత డెడ్ ఈజీ సమ్. కొద్దిగా ఆలోచించి అక్కడ పెన్ పెట్టి చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది అంతే. ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఏంటి? 4 notebooks and 7 pens together cost rupees 184. ఇన్ జనరల్ గా ఇంగ్లీష్ చదవడం వస్తే ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసినట్లే. ఓకే, 4 notebooks and 7 pens together cost rupees 184. Once again, why I am repeating that given data? Because here we have 4 notebooks. Let the cost of a notebook be rupees X, as well as the cost of a pen be rupees Y. Okay, you can consider any variable. Now coming to statement number 1, 4 notebooks. We consider cost of one notebook is rupees X. Okay, what about 4 notebooks? 4 into X, 4X, and means we need to add, and 7 pens. Let the cost of a single one pen is rupees Y. We have 7 pens, 7 into Y, together cost is rupees 184. This is our equation number 1. Now, whereas second statement is 6 notebooks and 5 pens together cost rupees 280. Getting bored? No, listen. Simply they are asking 6 notebooks and 5 pens together cost rupees 210. 6 notebooks means 6x and 7 pens 5 pens means 5y equal to cost how much? 210. This is our second equation. They are pair of linear equations in 2 variables for the given data. Maximum they are asking to form a pair of linear equation for the given data. Simply ఇది చేస్తే చాలు మీకు 4 మార్క్స్, ఇంకెక్కడ కట్ చేయడానికి కూడా వాడికి ఛాన్స్ ఉండదు. Simply they ask to formulate a pair of linear equation in 2 variables for the given data. మనం ఫార్మ్ చేసేస్తాం అంతే. That's all children. Okay, in this video we discussed 2 important topics. Children, you practice these 2 topics. That's all easily you will get 8 plus 4 12 marks. This video kind of cast 12 marks. Okay, enjoy when you are doing the practicing this song. You can listen the songs and also you can do it, because graph only, no, when you are practicing maths you can listen songs also. That is a good habit as well as. Okay children, will you subscribe my channel? Yes, you try to subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos children. Okay, thank you children.